Today at Mullin Machinery we have a Leblond 15-inch servo shift, 54-inch centers, serial number 12C-788. Came out of a government lab. Ways are in good shape. The ways themselves, you don't feel any grooves, ridges or anything. Minor ding or two in there, but that's not in the actual working way. That would be if the tailstock slides on, and we never bring the tailstock that close. Taper attachment, complete with the bed support. Aloris Toolpost and holder. It's a nice 3-jaw, looks like a Cushman chuck on there. It's about a 9-inch. Large bore Leblond steady rest. Morse taper number 4 tailstock. All original paint. Has the chuck guard on it. Sony digital readout. It's an older readout, but it seems to work just fine. Here's your carriage. Here's your cross feed. 2 1/4-inch spindle hole. Because it was a government facility, they set it up with this e-stop and switches on the front of the machine. Right now I think we have about 45 RPM. (351 RPM). At 654 RPM. Carriage speed. There's your cross feed coming out. Cross feed going in. Carriage feed feeding back. It's 900 and some RPM. That's 937 RPM. Feeding back, feeding across. There's the carriage feed. RPM. It'll go to 18. I don't like running 18 with a chuck for college, but it's 95 RPM. That's how you engage the lead screw. I don't have the thread dial in place at the moment, but we can just engage it anyway. The half nuts are engaged, they're working. It's a decent condition 15 by 54 servo shift lathe. You can check this out on our website, mullinmachinery.com. That's MULLIN machinery.com for all your tool room and fabricating needs.